Hi Lena, good morning. Here's the quick overview what we did for your website and what we integrated into your website from Agent Locator. So basically, let me start from here. There's a search bar for searching to properties. So this will be here. Then when we scroll down, there's a feature properties. Your and your brokerage properties are here. In this part, we have a landing page for buyers and landing page for sellers. So when they click, they will go to a landing page so they can be set it up on a campaign for the new listings on the market based on their search criteria. After that, just give me a second. After that, we have for sellers to go to the homeward landing page where they can see what their home is worth. You get the lead and everything starts from there. Then we added this. This is your contact form, which is also connected to your CRM. That's why you received that test email from WordPress. We were just checking if it's working. So every time someone wants to contact you through this form, you'll get the email with the lead with all the information there. And let's see, everything else, as I can see, is just like this. So yes, so basically those are the elements that we integrated: search bar, land feature properties, IDX, landing page for buyers, landing page for sellers, and your contact form is also connected to your CRM. I hope this helps. Let me know if you need anything further, and we will proceed. Thank you. Have a great one. Bye.